I think one of the weirdest things that I hear when I'm on calls with people is they say something like, oh, is this going to work? Or, what if it doesn't work? Now, obviously, I'm a great salesman, but I don't have 100% close rate, right? So when people do say that, I think to myself, and I say it too, but like, we wouldn't be on this call if what you were doing right now was already working. So what kind of stupid fucking question is that? Because if what we did didn't work, firstly, how hard would it be for us to get all these testimonials? That would be very hard work to fake all of that. Firstly, that's hard work. But the main thing is, if what you're doing right now was working, you wouldn't be shopping around for extra help to make it work. So why are you worried about if it would work when what you're doing right now doesn't work? And if you're going to continue doing what you're doing right now, you're just going to stay where you are. So I always think, instead of like having that fear-based mindset, if you're running a coaching business, you've got to have like some belief. Any program I've ever joined, I never question if I think it's going to work. All I know is that I'm going to do the work. So if it doesn't work, I'm holding the mentor or the coach accountable, because if you tell me to do something, I'm doing it. You tell me to shoot 100 videos, I'm doing it somehow, some way, by hook or by crook. I will do it. So the question is not, is this program going to work? The question is, am I going to do the fucking work to make it work? Yeah, that's the mentality you got to have. Because if you're on this, oh, I don't know if it will work. What if it doesn't work for me? Then that is going to work for you. Because that mentality is a loser's mentality.